Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for Dance Academy. Suppose I am having a dance academy and to promote my business, I am also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that same lead should be added in my Google Sheets. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to integrate both these applications, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software, Pabbly Connect. Now here we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action. So we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically create a record of our Dance Academy leads in Google Sheets. So this is my Facebook page with the name as Nataraj Dance Academy, which I am running to promote my Dance Academy. And I have also created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads to promote this business. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated for my Dance Academy, by submitting the lead gen form, I want to create a record of all my Facebook leads in my Google Sheet. So for this process, we are going to create an automation step by step by setting up a simple integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. And for creating this integration without any coding or programming skills, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this home page, we can find two options over here: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you can create your free new account by clicking on sign up for free button. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the all apps section of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now, on this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders over here in order to save our workflows. As you can find, I have two folders here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating multiple folders, you can save your workflows on the dashboard accordingly. Now, to create a new workflow, we will click on this create workflow option given on right corner. Let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for Dance Academy. Now, after giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save our workflow. So from the drop down, I'm going to select test integrations folder, and now we will click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us, trigger and action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts or the two main principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose here in the workflow, we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action. And we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads for our Dance Academy, and the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, automatically the same lead should be added in our Google Sheets so that we can create a record. Okay, now here we can find that our action is the response towards our trigger, because when the lead is generated from Facebook lead ads, then only it is added in our Google Sheet also. Now, after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating this workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger application, which is Facebook lead ads. So let's do that. And now we will select our trigger event. Now, what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So we will select new lead instant as our trigger event, as we want that whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and with that response, the workflow should get triggered. We will click on connect, and now I'm going to select add new connection to build a new connection with my Facebook lead ads account. We will click on connect with Facebook lead ads, and here our authorization has become successful. Because I was already logged into my Facebook account, the authorization has become successful very easily, and now my Facebook lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect. In the same manner, you have to keep logging to your applications before making the connection with Pabbly Connect. Now, after building the connection successfully, we will move further, and here we have to select the Facebook page and the lead gen form associated with that page so that the response could be captured. First of all, in order to understand this, I am going to take you towards my Facebook account. So this is my Facebook page named as Nataraj Dance Academy, and to promote my my business, I have created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated by submitting that same form, the response of that lead should be captured in my Pabbly Connect. And for that reason, here I'm going to select my page, that is Nataraj Dance Academy. After selecting the page, we will also select the lead gen form. Here I have multiple options, but I am going to select registration form over here, as I want that whenever the person is going to fill this particular form and submit it, then only the response should be captured in Pabbly Connect. Now, after selecting the page and the form, we will simply click on save and send test request. As we do that, it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to do a test submission by submitting the form which we have selected over here so that the response could be captured. And for doing that, I'm going to take you towards Meta for Developers and we will go towards My Apps. Here we can find the option of Tools. Let's select it. And it has taken us towards Developer Tools. Now, under Other Developer Tools, we can find the option of Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. Let's select it. And it has taken us towards Lead Ads Testing Tool. Now, this testing tool is going to help us to test our integration. What I'm going to do, I'm going to select my Facebook page over here and the same form which we have selected in Pabbly Connect. And as soon as I will fill and submit the form, the response of that form will be automatically captured in Pabbly Connect. Why I am using this lead ads testing tool? Because I'm not running any live campaign on my Facebook page for my dance academy. Therefore, I could not send the response of a real lead. But in your case, when you will be running a live campaign and then you will create the lead gen form, as soon as a new lead will be generated by submitting that form, automatically a real response of that real lead will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so first of all, let us select the page. This is my page, Nataraj Dance Academy, and the form is already selected over here as registration form. Now we will click on preview form to open the form. But before that, it is given that if you want to create new lead, you will first have to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. Okay, so because I have created a new form over here and it does not contain any existing lead, therefore I can directly click on preview form. But if you are using any existing form for testing your integration, then you first have to delete the lead from that form by clicking on this delete lead button. And then you have to refresh the page. Once again, you have to select the Facebook page and form, and then a new form will be open in front of you. Okay, let's click on preview form. So the form is open in front of us. Basically, this is a registration form by using which I want to register students for my free workshop. And now I want that as soon as a student is going to submit this form with the details, automatically the response should be captured. Now, first of all, here I'm going to do a test submission by entering test details in this form to submit it. Let's start with the first name. Let's say the first name is Dummy and the last name is Student, Dummy Student, a random email, dummy67@pablytudes.com, and now a random phone number. So I have entered all the details and now I'm going to click on next and we will submit the form. As soon as we have submitted the form, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. And we have automatically received the response over here along with all the details, first name, last name, email, and the contact number. Now, this means that our integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successful. So by using this response, now we are going to move further and we want to send the details of that same lead which is recently generated from Facebook lead ads into Google Sheets. Okay, so this is the spreadsheet which I have created with the name as Nataraj Dance Academy Leads, and I want to create a record of the students or the leads which are generating from Facebook lead ads for my dance academy into this particular spreadsheet. It contains the fields such as first name, last name, email, and contact number, all the details which we have in our lead gen form. Okay, so we will first of all connect this spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect in order to create the record here. So let us select our action application, Google Sheets, and now we will select the action event. Here we will simply select add new row, as we want that whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, automatically a new row should be added in our spreadsheet along with all the details. Let's click on connect, and now from the given options, I am going to select add new connection to build a new connection with my Google Sheets account. We'll click on sign in with Google, and here I'm going to select my account. Now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Google account. It is 100% safe, so let's click on allow. And our authorization has become successful. Now, because I was already logged into my Google Sheets before making the connection with Pabbly Connect, my authorization has become successful very easily. Again, you have to keep in mind to keep logging to your applications before making the connection with Pabbly Connect. Now, after building the connection, we will move further, and first of all, we will select the name of our spreadsheet. The name of my spreadsheet is Nataraj Dance Academy Leads. So here from the drop down, I'm simply going to select Nataraj Dance Academy Leads. And because I have created only sheet 1 in my spreadsheet, therefore the sheet 1 is already selected over here. Now we will move further, and now one by one we will enter the details in these fields so that a record could be created in our Google Sheets. First of all, it is asking us for the first name. Now, we have already received the details of our Facebook leads from our earlier response. We will simply use the same response here in order to map the details. Now, what is mapping? Mapping is inserting the data from previous step. Here is our previous step given. When we will select that, here are all the details. So whatever data we want, we will simply select that. As we want first name, this is the first name. We will select that and it is mapped. Now, why we have mapped the data over here instead of entering it manually? Because we want that when this workflow will run in real time and the new response from Facebook lead ads will be captured, automatically the data in this field should get replaced. That means this first name should get replaced with a new name of a new person. But in case if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, in order to automate the entire process, we use mapping. So now, when we have mapped the data, whenever a new response will be captured, automatically all the details will be replaced with new details of a new Facebook lead, and the details will be keep on adding automatically in our Google Sheets. Let's map the last name also in the same manner, email, and at last the contact number. So we have entered all the details. Now we will click on save and send test request. And here is the response. So let's go and check on our Google Sheet whether the response is added there or not. And yes, we can find that a new row is added automatically over here along with all the details of our Facebook lead. First name, last name, email, and the contact number. The same details which we have received from lead gen form response. That means our workflow is perfectly successful. So we have successfully built an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. Let's move towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in this workflow. We have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook lead ads, and in action, we have taken Google Sheets. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be captured from Facebook lead ads for our Dance Academy, automatically the details of that same lead will be added in our Google Sheets in the form of a new row. And with the help of this, we can automatically create a record of all our Facebook leads in Google Sheets. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.